The Number One Collision project was a new construction project that was originally quoted based on blueprints. This was a very exciting project for VDC Vandelta because it really provided an opportunity to show the full extent of what we can do. This is the flagship shop for Number One Collision in British Columbia. In this first-class facility that repairs high-end vehicles, we installed a premium Bosch CCTV system with remote monitoring capabilities and a multi-point keyless entry and alarm system to control access. In addition to this, we installed an office and shop PA and music system that integrated with the Panasonic telephone system, which we also provided. In order to meet the sensitive timelines of construction, we broke the project down into 3 phases. The first was installation of the conduit by our electrician. This was to protect the cabling for the CCTV, keyless entry, and alarm systems. The second phase was to pull in the cables. This took some time in that this was a busy construction site with many trades working around us throughout the day. The third phase was installation of the components. The project went smoothly and the client was happy with the commitment and interest we demonstrated in meeting their opening day timelines. Additionally, we maintained the budget costs and overcame the associated challenges that can surprise you during new construction. Should you have any questions or have a similar application that requires our services, please contact us at our head office. The number is 604-732-8686, or if you prefer, email us at vandelta@vandelta.com.